Ooh la la! Oh, whoa! Does this look like a scrumptious meal? I have a beautiful sub with some M&Ms on it, just so I can get diabetes. And I got that orange and some Lay's chips. Oh, I'm so ready to eat. Oh, let me get it and go to the table. Oh, my stomach can't wait for this sub. Oh my God. Oh, let me put the bun on first.
Oh, yes. Oh, that was some good cheesecake. It was so good. Oh.
Strike.
Oh, yes.
Excuse me, can you please stop? All of that noise is irritating my stomach.
Oh, I'm sorry, Chef Penis. I apologize.
My name is Pee-Pee, not Penis.
The cheesecake was voluptuously delicious.
I can see it's all gone.
Yes. All right. Well, could you do me a favor and put my plate up for me?
I guess so.
And wait, 1 second. I'm gonna leave you a little rosebud.
Wait, what?
Oh, yes.
Oh my God, what the hell was that?
Oh, whiffed it.
What did you put in my face? Oh, I gotta open the window. This is so gross.
That donkey.
Oh my God, I can't stand the smell. Oh, I need to open the window. Oh, finally. Woo! Finally, thank God. Finally, fresh air. I swear, Shrek's fart is the worst thing in the world. It stinks. Oh, but I can finally eat my beautiful sandwich now. Let me get them chowing. Oh my God, this sandwich is so good. Chef Pee-Pee, you know how to cook. I know. Oh my God, this is the best sandwich ever.
Boy.
What?
Boy.
Oh my God, I can't stand these interruptions. First, it was the stupid mouse, and then it was the cucumber. Now it's the stupid bird. Look, bird, can you please shoo? Bye. Go and fly with your family somewhere, like to Cuba.
Boy.
I know. I can just give you some bread. Look, look at the bread. Bye, pigeon. Oh, I'll get back to my sandwich.
Boy.
Oh, why are you back? I did you a favor. I threw you some bread. Come on, do me a favor and leave.
Boy.
Please, just leave. I'm just trying to eat my sub.
Boy.
You know what? I can see arguing with you. It's not getting anywhere. So I'm just going to take my plate and leave.
Boy.
Stupid bird. It's not his sandwich. It's my sandwich. My sandwich. Chef Pee-Pee sandwich. Jeez. Oh, I forgot to shut the stupid window. What if that bird comes in? Well, I don't see the bird, so I don't think he got in. So let me hurry up and close the window. There we go. Never see that bird again. Finally, I can enjoy my sandwich in peace. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Where's that cucumber?
Boy.
Damn it, you! Why can't you just leave? Leave me alone and close the window so you wouldn't get in. How are you here?
Boy.
It's not yours. It's my sandwich.
Boy.
Damn it. I'm going. I hate these freaking birds. Oh, man. Charlie and Friends is coming on. Woo-hoo. Oh, I need to find the remote. Where is it? It's usually right here. Where's the remote? Where's the remote? Where's the remote? I know. Somebody had to take it. It must have been Chef Pee-Pee. Chef Pee-Pee, come here.
Boy.
Wait. What?
Boy.
What is a bird doing over here in my room? It's not hunting season, is it?
Boy.
No, it's not hunting season. Can you please stop saying mine and just give me the remote? I need that.
Boy.
No, it's mine. My remote. Mine.
Boy.
Look, guy. If you say mine one more time, I will snap your leg like a twig in a hurricane.
Boy.
Hey! You better be lucky I'm freaking lazy, you stupid bird! Let me get that remote. Better be lucky Charlie's on too.
Oh, chicka. Oh no, Thomas, it looks like nappy-headed pony swinging some leg. I don't think we should play with her.
Boy.
Hey, look, Look, Thomas, it's the bird from the Fruit Loops box. It's a Toucan Sam. Hey, Toucan Sam, how's Tony the Tiger doing?
I'm doing great.
What?
Fine.
Hey, Birdie, do you want to play trains with me?
Fine.
Okay, you want to play trains? You can play with the ugly red one.
Fine.
No, he's not yours. He's mine, but you can play with him for a few minutes.
Fine.
No, he's not yours. He's mine.
Fine.
No, he's mine.
Fine.
Mine.
Fine.
Mine.
Fine.
Look, no.
Fine.
No.
Fine.
Definitely not Thomas. He's mine.
Fine.
No. Mine.
Fine.
Ah!
Just ate all of my food. Now it's time to cook Bowser's. Wait, why are you talking, little fishy? Shut up.
Chef Pee-Pee! Toucan Sam took my Thomas the Tank Engine toy and he keeps saying it's his. But it's mine.
Mine?
No, it's mine.
Mine?
Drink bleach, you stupid bird. It's mine.
Fine.
Look, I don't care about the stupid bird. Just get him out of the kitchen, okay? Because he was bothering me earlier while I was eating.
I know he's annoying. Stupid bird, how about you just go jump off a cliff, okay? Because I want my Thomas back.
Fine.
Chef Pee-Pee!
Look, go and argue about your Thomas somewhere else. I'm trying to cook your father's food.
Mine.
Chef Pee-Pee, I think he wants your fish.
Mine.
Why would he want the fish?
I don't know, because birds like to eat fish and elephants and penguins.
Oh, well, that doesn't really make much sense, but
Mine.
I can't give him the fish. It's you and your father's fish. So if I give him the fish, then you guys won't be eating anything.
Well, I don't care. As long as I get Thomas back, I don't want to eat anything. So give him the dumb fish. Give it to him.
Mine.
Right now.
It's your decision then. Here, take the fish, you stupid bird.
Thomas! Oh, Thomas, are you okay? Did he hurt you? What's that, Thomas? You want something to eat? Thomas says me and him want fish.
No,